I'm a born actor, mate.
I'm a born actor.
Billy, have you seen the new Bostik HP?
I have, mate.
It's a fantastic product, buddy. Let's pour some out. I'll let you do this, mate. You're a builder. Have a go at that, mate. Tell me what you think of that one, buddy.
It's nice and smooth, isn't it? Easy to apply.
One thing you can notice is there's no smell.
Nah, it's
It's an
odorless
MS,
free.
correct, MS product, solvent free.
Yep.
This is one of our competitors here.
Pour some out.
Pour some out for me, mate. What's the first thing you notice, buddy?
Smells,
mate,
doesn't it?
exactly. Strong smell. Now try to spit that one out, bud. It's a lot stiffer.
Yeah, it's not as easy to apply, is it?
So it's
You almost need to wear a mask while you apply this one.
yeah, you would probably want to wear a mask with that one.
Yeah.
This one here, no problems at all, mate.
Yeah.
Now go back to the Bostik one. Straight away you'll notice a big difference.
Right. Covers a greater area too, doesn't it?
Great for engineered timber flooring,
Yep.
superior bond strength and high flexibility.
Perfect.
Billy, also mate, there's no nasties in the HP.
What do you mean? It won't blow my head off?
It won't blow your head off, mate.
Beautiful. That's what we want.
That's what we want. And with the Bostik HP, mate, there is no restrictions on board length, so it's fantastic for large engineered timber flooring. Billy, have a look at this one here, mate. This is an engineered timber piece I've got here.
Yeah, no worries. Let's
Put it in there,
put
mate.
it
Have a
down
look.
and see how it goes.
Tell me what you think about that, mate.
Look at that. Holds a great ridge, doesn't it?
Perfect, mate. Look at that, Billy. Hey?
It's nice and solid,
Fantastic,
isn't it?
mate. So it's really
It's
nice,
nice and
mate.
rigid, isn't
Ooh,
it? Oh,
What have we
what
done?
we've done here. I've got
Billy,
these-
grab those handy wipes, Billy. They're the ones, mate. Look at this. Let me show you something. Watch this, mate. Being the Bostik HP, look how easy it is to clean off engineer. Look at that. Just bring it over, and it's easy to clean. It doesn't stain timber floors.
Look at that. Comes off quite easy,
Yep.
doesn't it?
You can just clean it off with your Bostik handy wipes, and away you go, mate. Nice and clean. Grab another piece for my fingers, mate, as well. It's all over
Yeah,
my
no-
hands.
No worries.
Like you had them in your toolbox, buddy. Billy, I'll let you use the smooth side, mate. I think your hands need it.
I'll let you use the rough side, mate. I think
Thank
your
you very
hands
much,
need it.
Billy. No worries at all.
Look at that, like new.
Good job, Billy. Well done.
Well done.